Lingua Ukraina. My name is Jean. How do we say in Ukrainian hello or goodbye? Let's talk about it. Let us summarize what we learn about saying hello. Greeting, wishing peace. VITA-YOU, VITA-YOU, or PRYVVEET, PRYVVEET. Greeting, wishing you good morning, good afternoon, good evening. DOBROHO RANKU, DOBROHO RANKU, or DOBRY DENь, DOBRY DENь, or DOBRY VECHER, DOBRY VECHER. What do we need to have all these greetings in our active vocabulary? We need two things: pronunciation and repetition, so-called PR rule. Pronunciation and repetition. I'll put in the comments more pronunciation samples for you. Don't be shy, just try it out. Today we're gonna learn how to say goodbye in Ukrainian. For casual goodbye, like cheers, see you later, BOO-VUY, 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 BOO-VUY. BOO-VUY you say to a friend or a younger person. BOO-VUY-TE, BOO-VUY-TE, BOO-VUY-TE in any other case. More universal and official way to say goodbye is до побачення, до побачення, до побачення, до побачення, до побачення, до побачення. See you, goodbye, see you, до зустрічі, до зустрічі, до зустрічі. All the best. На все добре. На все добре. На все добре. На все добре. All the best. See your homework below. Let me know if you have any questions. More fun to come. Stay tuned. Stay safe.